Hello everybody. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Hi. Hello. How are you? Great. I'm fine. Thank you. What's your name? Wow, well done. My name is Teacher Loli. Hello. Hello. Look outside. Look outside. How's the weather? How's the weather? It's cloudy today. It's cloudy today. And very hot. Very hot. Wow. What can you see? What can you see? I see a fan. A fan. 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 What do you see? What do you see? I see a pencil. 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 What do you see? What can you see? I see a shoe. A shoe. Huh. What can you see? What can you see? I see a book. A book. A book. Book. Last one. What do you see? What do you see? I see a butterfly. A butterfly. Wow, so beautiful. Let's decorate our butterfly. I have Play-Doh and some beads. I have flowers. I have leaves. Let's decorate the butterfly. Put your Play-Doh on the butterfly. Like this. Like that. Like this. And like that. Wow, just a little bit for his tail and his head and his body. Lots of Play-Doh. And now we can stick our leaves and our flowers like this. Oh, wow. On the beads like this. Whoa. Maybe a leaf here. flower here. Very nice. We can put some beads, some stars. 1, 2, 3. And some more leaves. I think this one goes here. And maybe this one here. You can put so many things on your beautiful butterfly. Oh, finished. It's so beautiful, so pretty. Whoa, it's flying away. I think it wants to go outside. Let's go. See you next time.